Hey guys, my name is Tristan Duplichain. I am a photographer from Jackson, Mississippi, and today I am showing you a behind the scenes photo shoot of how I shoot food photography for like magazines and editorial work. So follow me and come see how I'm shooting. So I'm just taking you behind the scenes of how I work when I'm shooting editorial for photo shoots. I end up doing details of the surrounding areas. As you see, I'm just kind of photographing their drink machines, the exterior and the interior. I'm just kind of walking around while I was waiting for the food to be prepared, and just shot a lot of different items that they kept inside their store. As you can see, I'm just kind of doing a little bit of decor, some of their condiments. I was just walking around, and I was also photographing some of their desserts and other menu items. And I'm just photographing their booth so that way customers kind of know, how their seating area works. Here I'm actually using a reflector with window light to shoot this food shot. It was a shrimp po' boy. And I'm just kind of speeding through this, and here's a little bit of video just so you can kind of see the lighting set up. And actually I was using my lens, as you'll see, to shield the light on the pickle. As weird as that sounds, there was a lot of reflective glare from the pickle, and I was just kind of using that to block a little bit of the light. You'll actually see that in the next shot of videos. We had some potato salad, and I actually used that lens to shield the potato salad so that it wasn't so harsh when I was photographing. And this is the turkey club. It looks so delicious. And like I said, I'm bouncing that light. We were having a little bit of difficulty because of the inside middle part of the club. It was very dark, but as you see, the reflector kind of popped that light back in there. And I am going to throw in a couple other food shots that I did not record, as I had my GoPro and I wasn't really thinking about video at the time, so I did miss a couple shots. But here is a chicken salad sandwich with some grapes, and I'm just ending the day enjoying some of their food. I had the Santa Fe chicken wrap, which is amazing, with a spinach wrap. If you guys want to see more behind the scenes videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will post more in the future.